Hello and welcome back to my channel. If you want to see how I made this sweet potato boat, keep watching. My ingredients were simple, organic, and really delicious. So I took my sweet potato, washed it very well. I added olive oil and wrapped it in the foil. Put it in the oven at 375, let it cook. And while that was going, I added my spinach, sauteed it. When it came out, added it to my potato with my simple ingredients, and voila. It was so tasty. I really enjoyed the mixture of flavors and textures. If you have something in mind that you've created similar for a healthy alternative, feel free to let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching and enjoy. Bon appetit. Bye.